Hello guys, you alright? I'm Emmy. Most of you know who I am. I'm John's daughter. Every time I'm home I like to pop in and do a little bit of filming for Doubleboost. Today I'm back because my dad's taken us to get a rescue cat. My cat's called Vera. She's had a bit of a hard life and she's at a rescue centre just up the road in Ovenjump. So I'm going to go and collect her from a nice lady called Linda, and then she's going to come back to live in Scotland with me. Give her a nice life and a nice home. So I'm really excited about Vera. And while I'm here, I thought I'd add the new names to the prize draw. So any of you who aren't already in the prize draw, you need to follow the link to the email and then send an email to my dad and you'll get your names added. So you have the chance to win some of these fantastic prizes. So I'll pop those names in there. And if you're not already in the draw, get the email in so you've got a chance to win. I hope you enjoy the show. It's been lovely to chat to you. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now. Bye.
I don't know why it is, but every time I seem to clean my lathe down, I get a job cutting brass. Anyway, I've got a bit of 3-inch round brass bar in here, and what the lad wants is 3 5mm thick washers, cutting from it, one face polished with a nice radius on it, and various diameter holes through them. First thing it will be to skim the bar, and then part off the first washer. I'm going to turn it around because it's not running 100% true. It's not much better really. It's just what it is, I suppose. I want to make sure I've got plenty of clearance between the chuck jaws and the job in the bottom of the apron, which I have. So a little flat on the bar there, that'll not matter. It's they're supposed to look old. That's one thing with making bits for steam engines. You can make them look a little bit rough, and that actually look better that way. It's been clinically clean and perfectly machined. See what radius tools I've got to put a nice radius on there. Right, so its sleeves are rolled up, no jewellery, and you've got to be careful. You've got to be aware of what you're doing. You don't want to be getting your knuckles wrapped off there because it will not do you any favours at all. If you're not confident in doing this, you simply don't do it. some fine up paper now. I'm going to use the new parting tool, the high-speed steel one. Important though we get this nice and square at the job, because I want to try and get a decent finish on the inside edge as well. So we're simply line the tool post up so it's touching like that. It means the tool's got to be at 90 degrees to the job. You need enough tool poking out to cut it off, but no more. Wrong ones, John. So it's just past centre, so that will cut that off quite nicely. And so it's touching that flat piece there, so that's right on the end of the bar. So now we're waiting in for 5mm. I want to lock the cross slide off, or at least lock the carriage off, just to give it a fighting chance of going straight through it. We'll slow that down a little bit, one gear. Right, we'll go faster. We'll go a lot slower. It's absolute torture, this. Right, that's the first one. I'm doing the second one using a power feed, much more controllable. I need to put a hole in these. I'm just going to flash that inside edge. As I keep saying, you've got to be careful for clearance when you've got jaws sticking out like that. Right, let's push that nice and true, and there's just enough to get a little whispery cut on there. different size holes, that's why I didn't bore it out with a solid piece, and I also didn't want to waste any brass. The only bit I've wasted is the thickness of the parting tool. Fanny's here.